What is up, guys? In this next preview of Dance for Game Accelerator, I'm gonna teach you the fundamentals of opening. Okay, how do you start an interaction? Really, like the bare minimum, the fundamentals. If you don't have those fundamentals down, whatever technique you have is not gonna work. Okay, if you have those fundamentals down, everything else will fall into place. This is a very short video, very simple video, but it says a lot. Okay, if you just have this down, all the techniques will take care of themselves. Here we go into actual opening right now. This is the techniques you were waiting for. But before we get into the techniques, let's ask, well, what is opening? What's the point of opening? Opening is basically just starting the interaction. Not the conversation, by the way, the interaction. Means like sort of this back and forth dynamic. You're communicating with them, doesn't mean it's verbally. It can be physical communication. And in that sense, you don't have to say words. So the point of opening is that you set the man to woman frame, meaning that it is a sexual, sensual type of romantic frame. It is not a friendly frame, not just friendly. If you're just friendly, then that is not going to lead you anywhere. So first of all, you should open physical. And why should you be physical? Because it sets the frame right. You know, you wouldn't be physical to just a friend of yours. You're more physical with a girl that you like, and you're physical in a specific way that conveys romantic/sexual interest. The other mindset is that all verbals, all words that you say are just filler. You're just filling the silence. It doesn't matter. The last point is calibration is everything with that game model, and you want to make sure that she is on board with it. You know, there's yes, there's no, and there's like neutral, basically. If she gives you a yes, you're good to go. If it's neutral, you want to polarize so you get either a yes or a no as soon as possible. And if it's a no, then just get the fuck out of there. That's basically it. So here are the basics of opening. If you only take that out of the opening series, that will be enough, okay? You could just take that and forget about all the openers and you would do okay. First of all, strong eye contact. Make sure you look at her into the eyes, okay? Don't look away, whatever. Look into their eyes, straight into their eyes. That's really important. Second of all, you want to make sure to be square up to her. It's the best way in the dance floor, if you can, to talk to her, because if you only buy it from the side, you lose intensity a little bit. The exception is if you're at a festival and the show is obviously in front of you, you're back faced away from the show. It looks like you have an agenda. It looks like you have something that you're trying to pick them up, and it looks to everyone that you're trying to pick her up. So sometimes from the side is better. At any nightclub, usually you want to be squaring up, and you want to be in front of her. It's a lot better. Third of all, you want to be loud, and also you be willing to transition to a bit more sensual, slow afterwards. So you might open, hey, really loud, okay, and you talk to her. And then afterwards, you want to kind of slow it down, get closer to her ear, stuff like that. Also, straighten your body. That's really important. So when you talk to her, you don't go like, hey, how's it going, like this? You're like, how's it going? You move your whole body into it. You're like, hey, how's it going? Talking to you. Oh, by the way, I like your whatever, XYZ. Oh, are you from Montreal? So you're kind of moving in like that, you know, like moving into the girl. I'm on a chair, it's a bit hard to do, but like, you know, you're moving into the girl type of thing. You're not like peeking in like that, you know, you're moving your entire body into it. Remember, it's physical game, it's physical. So you want to move into her as you talk to her. So, do you like what you saw in the program? If it's something that interests you, you have to sign up to the email list and the free training, because, so the program, I only left it to 50 students. I only left this special discount for the first 50 students. Why? Because I want to keep it small. Then I have more time to dedicate to all of you guys, like each one of you individually in the Facebook group. I think this is very crucial. Special discount for the first 50 students only. And you know, because it's Christmas, and Christmas time, you want to get all those bitches for New Year's Eve. Make sure you sign up to the free program. You get access to a secret link to Dance for Game Accelerator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside the training. Peace.